Wugas. I'm back at you again with another video. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pray over the food and I'm going to get this started, okay? Amen. Say amen?
Yeah.
Say amen.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, today my Sugar Wugas, if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Thumbs up this video, thumbs up this video. And if you always come to my channel, thank you for always coming by, showing Sugar Mama some love. Today, we are having tacos and a little of the enchilada. A little enchilada. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Yeah, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit from time to time, but I am hungry. Yes, I did wait all day to eat. So I'm going to start off with this. You see my little, this, just trying to hold it up. Look, trying to hold it together. You know how tacos do. Gotta do the most. Okay, so, huh? You say hi to the Sugar Wugas. Say hi, Sugar Wugas.
Hi, Wugas.
Yeah. This is Mason. How old are you, Mason? How old are you?
3.
Good job.
Gina.
I know, yeah. That's me. Sugar Mama.
Gina Mama.
Ha! Anyway, alright, let me get this started. Because I'm hungry, okay, Sugar Wugas? Alright, I like... Alright. You want a taco? You gonna mess over my taco? Y'all, let me tell y'all about him. I'm gonna give you a taco. I'm gonna sit it right here because he got some meat right here, y'all, too. So, go ahead. That's your taco.
What is it?
And I know it's a mess, y'all. Excuse the mess, but you know how it is doing tacos. Okay? And yes. Okay. Homemade tacos. Alright. So I got sauce already on it, but you know I love a lot of sauce. So I'm gonna put some of this sauce on there like that. Right? And then I like hot sauce. I like hot sauce. This is hot. It's going to be hot. You know what? I'm going to put it on there too. I'm going to put it right on there. You bet. Just a little bit.
It's going to be spicy?
Yeah, it's going to be spicy.
Why it's going to be spicy?
I already got sour cream on this, y'all. Set that right there. Set that right there. Okay. Mmm.
Spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Very spicy.
Mm-hmm.
I think this hot.
Right. Bite. There we go. Like a lot of sauce. So, you know what? I got some Taco Bell sauce in there too. I don't know if I can get it. Close the mouth. You don't gotta have it, but you know what? Black cherry. Steak meat and regular beef. I got beef on one, steak on one, they're both on one. I just mixed it up. It's good too. Especially with the crystal. You making a mess? Mason, how was your day in school?
Not like race car. It's race car, black car, and race cars.
You play race cars?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you learn anything?
I play red car.
Okay.
I play red colors.
How y'all doing, Sugar Wugas? What y'all eating tonight? What's your favorite? Hard or soft tacos?
Hot dogs.
Watch your mouth. You don't want to hit it on the table. So you got to get all that goodness right here. All that goodness. I see you. So look. This right here I never tried before. You know what? I got you. Okay. Alright. Put this hot sauce on there like that. Right? Oh, it's going to this right here. It's going to start with this too. I'm gonna try this all out. I'm gonna see how I like it. It's called it's the Chipotle sauce, like flavored. Okay, I'm gonna just try it. See if I like it. And just throw it on a little part of it.
I want to try it.
You wanna try it?
I want to try it.
I'm gonna put it right here.
I'm going to put it right here on my taco.
There you go. Yeah. You know he wanted some. So let me see.
Good. Really good. You taste it. And you want to eat it.
It's okay. It's good. No, I had the door open, y'all need. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. Mmm. Let me taste it. It's good. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
This is my cat.
That. That's good. Hey. Y'all better go get y'all some tacos. Oh my God. Drink some water. You know, this sauce is okay. It's good. It's alright. But you know what? I do like that, but I like my taco sauce better. I know. Ooh, skinny. Alright, y'all. I know. That's how you gotta keep the door shut. That's alright. I'll get it. It is alright. I will get it. Eat your food. You want to eat? You wanted it. See, I told y'all. What did I tell y'all? Why you don't eat over the plate? You good? Alright. See that, y'all? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, y'all.
Yeah, this is for on your back.
Take another bite. Take another bite. Take another bite. Take another bite. What? Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up, Nia. Y'all see him? Pick it up, Nia. Pick it up. Here. Hold that and take a bite. Stop. Leave it alone. Yeah. My notification game. Okay, well sit down. You leave it. You see how you do me? Look at that.
We'll go watch it. Watch it down. Watch it down.
Sit down. How you just gonna leave me? Come here. How you just gonna leave me like that, y'all? You said you wanna be in my video. Sit right here until I'm done.
Okay.
You how you gonna leave the Sugar Wugas? And then you gonna leave and then you say bye to the Sugar Wugas? Sit down, you gotta eat some food. See what I gotta go through? I'm almost done.
You almost done?
Yeah.
You almost done this?
He said, I'm gonna be in the video. And then he gonna leave me. He don't care.
you. It's a big boy.
Woo!
Excuse you.
Excuse me. Okay, I'm gonna take another bite, y'all, and I'm gonna get to my shout out time. Why I gotta scream, though? Stop before you fall. What you see is what you get, my sugar wugger. Oh,
Okay.
What?
Let's taco. Okay. Let's taco.
Oh, it says. Alright. The first person who commented on my last video, thank you. I appreciate it. You stopping by my little channel, showing Sugar Mama some love. I'm doing shout outs. I'm gonna shout people out. Okay. I got my little notes right here. Right now. Yo. Oh, look at, did y'all see that? I ain't even gonna take that out. I would like to shout out Crystal and Maya. Crystal. She watched me faithfully. Family. And I really appreciate you. I really do. Always watching me. You tell me that I'm always putting you onto different foods, and you know, and you actually went to one spot. You saw me eat some crepes. You went and tried it out, and you loved it. Thank you. Shout out to you, Crystal. Thank you for coming by my channel all the time and showing me some love and shouting me out to other channels. I appreciate you, and I appreciate the love. Promise you I do. Y'all, don't y'all ever leave y'all doors open if you ain't got no screen door, because this flat. I'm trying to be great. Right? Anyway, thanks again for stopping by, okay? I know. Look at that store. Oh.
This is my baggage all in school.
You took it off in school?
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
But Missy to your in school.
Oh, you took it off in school?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Missy to your. Missy to your like that. Like Mama.
Let me see something. Mason, what's your teacher name?
That's Missy.
High five. That boy know his teacher name. That no.
That's Missy.
Miss Fifi.
Yeah, Missy.
Okay.
I just want time.
Okay. And tie. All right.
And this.
And look. Huh. Let me shout this out real quick. My next shout out is eating. Let me say, eating with a purpose.
Okay.
Real talk. Why am I so? Because I'm fighting so. Let me look at this closely. Yup, eating with a purpose and real talk. Came by my channel, show Sugar Mama some love. I'ma pop you up right here on my screen so everybody can see who I'm talking about. Because I appreciate you stopping by my channel, showing Sugar Mama some love. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. Okay? All right. I'm almost done. You see, you know, these right here, what I'm eating is, I gotta sometimes be in a mood for this. But it's good. It's real good, but I actually love the tacos. So, you put some sauce on there. And hot sauce. Hey y'all. Look. He doing his own thing. Look at him. Are you with me? You with me?
Yeah, with you.
Okay, what you doing over there? Sugar Wugas over here.
Oh.
My third shout out goes. Do y'all see me going through? The third shout out goes to She Eats. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always coming by, showing Sugar Mama some love, and thumbs up the video, everybody. And what was I gonna say?
Yeah.
What was I gonna say, Mason? Okay, She Eats. I really, really appreciate you stopping by my channel, always showing Sugar Mama some love, and you will see your information popping up right here. Everybody that I shouted out, I promise you I'll put your information in my description box. So Sugar Wugas, please go over to their channel if you haven't already. I know it's not too many of you, but every little bit counts. You want to try it? You want to taste it?
Yeah, what's the sausage?
Let's see. Sausage? Hey, taste it.
No, sausage.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's good sausage.
Do you like it?
I like it. What's more?
You want some more? Good job. All right, yeah. Take more. Oh.
You put out white. You put on my white.
What?
You put down the pick.
Oh, here. Ah. Woo! I'm full. Yes, I am. You gotta stop your phone, hit your mouth. Stop. Alright. So y'all, remember I said, I'm gonna even say this, I have to say this. After I take a swig. You're so busy.
I hate sausage. Why? I can't go to here.
Woo!
She goes here.
That is good. Get that's dirty, son. Okay. Don't forget my Sugar Wugas. I'm almost up to 250. And I appreciate it. I appreciate being up to 250. I'm only 250. But as soon as I hit 250, I'm going to start pulling names from my comments. Whoever come over and comment and view and all that. Thumbsing up this video and a subscriber. I'm going to put your name. I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna shout you out, pour your name, and and put it in to whatever I decide to put the names in. And then once that accumulate like I need it to be or whatever I want it to be, when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna pour 3 names from what I accumulated. Huh?
You see my black card.
It's upstairs. Well, wait a minute. 1 second. I'm telling the Sugar Wugas something. Can I tell the Sugar Wugas something?
Okay.
Okay. And when I hit 500 subscribers, like I said, I'm going to pour three names from all the names I accumulated from when I reached 250. I'm going to pour 3 names and I'm going to do a giveaway. Not sure yet what it is. I think I have in mind what I want. And I'm going to tell you all the rules again and what you have to have in order to, receive the giveaway. That's basically it. But, hey, my Sugar Wugas, I'm about to leave you. I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Okay? So, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment, share. Tell everyone what I'm doing over here on this channel, y'all. So, Sugar Mama some love. Alright? But, I gotta leave y'all with a big old hug. Mason, let's give the Sugar Wugas a hug, okay? Come on. Okay. That's in the way. See y'all in my next video.